The emergence and growth of Internet television, ITV, as an alternative to or a complement of broadcast cable video is nothing short of phenomenal. Home theater users can download and view Internet content, including most broadcast TV from around the world. Connecting your PC to your HD TV is very simple. I am connecting my notebook to the Internet via a broadband network. My notebook has a HDMI interface, but you can use computers with VGA or DVI adapters. Until now, ITV viewers would need to go to their PC keyboard and mouse to control the operation of the Internet. Let's say I want to watch CNN on my TV. First, I have to go over to my computer, get onto the Internet, type in CNN.com in order to watch it. So now I can go to the couch and enjoy watching CNN. But what if I want to watch Fox News? Then I have to get up, go back to my computer, type in foxnews.com. There, then I can enjoy watching Fox News. This way is so cumbersome. The Unison Group recognized the need for a more convenient method to surf Internet TV. After all, if watching ITV is complicated and difficult, then why would anyone go through the effort? So Unison invented the iPazzPort, a handheld wireless mini keyboard with mouse touchpad. The iPazzPort is a complete remote control for home theater via the computer. The iPazzPort enables the user from their chair, sofa, or bed to remotely control the interface between the computer and the TV, so that now they can enjoy ITV selections and use the iPazzPort as a remote ITV controller up to 33 feet away from their computer. As the iPazzPort became more popular, we met with focus groups, polled users, and compiled a list of the most advantageous enhancements. That research resulted in the iPazzPort ITV. The ITV key on this unit, when depressed twice, automatically goes to the Unison website where we have created a total point-and-click solution. We have sorted our menus by topics: videos, games, music, must-haves, worldwide IPTV. Remember before how switching from CNN to Fox was so difficult? Now with the iPazzPort ITV, it's so easy, just going from CNN video to Fox. Designed specifically for the convenience of ITV surfing. Backlit keyboard. Conveniently placed mouse touchpad that does not interfere with typing. Volume control that will drive your audio system. A powerful integrated menu that makes ITV channel selection a joy, not a chore. Well, there it is. Unison and the iPazzPort ITV have really made the Internet TV simple. Please contact our local offices as shown on the screen, or go directly to www.unison-usa.com to order product directly or be directed to a local retailer near you.